Hey everybody, 04 Racing here. I'm just doing some rewiring and dismantling on my Civic. Some of the rewiring I'm doing on the inside. Had to rehook a lot of this. This is all connected to a car alarm. Had to pull out the kill switch, it wouldn't allow the car to start. Also got off the driver's side front fender here. Trying to get out of the sun for you. Car was obviously red before, as you can see on the firewall. There's the fender, bumper bracket, or I should say support. Got that all off. Next I'll be taking off the radiator support. I'm going to be putting on a 2000 front end conversion. So I'll have a whole 2000 front end there. Got to put the lips back on once that's all done. I have those in the back here. See, this was the front bumper. Give me a second. Trunk. Front lip right here. This is plates, spare. And then yeah. This is my trunk, by the way. Never showed the trunk on the car. Some holes covered up here with some tape. And then gonna stay there. Until next time, 04 Racing. For all you tuner fanatics out there, import fanatics, keep doing what you're doing. Everybody watches your videos out there. All those haters, I'm just mad because you got beat by a Civic.